Hello everyone. Today's topic is cooking. Let's see if we can find our way in the kitchen. To start, we'll go through some basic things that we need for cooking. Like cutlery. Cutlery je, ajde reći ćete mi vi poslije ovoga. So cutlery is a spoon, a fork, da, ovo je viljuška, a knife. So cutlery or silverware, tako je, escajk, bravo. Besides cutlery, we need some cookware too. A frying pan, a saucepan or a pot, a dish or an oven-proof dish. Dakle, tava, lonac i posuda za rednu, vatrostalna posuda. Now, let's see some basic things that people usually do in a kitchen. Vidimo neke osnovne stvari koje se obično rade u kuhinji. Peel. Peel a banana. Peel. Peel an onion. Peel. Peel a potato. So what can we peel? We can peel a banana, an orange, an apple, a potato. Peel, guliti. Slice. Slice a banana. Slice. Slice a potato. What can you slice? You can slice bread, a loaf of bread, a potato, cake, mushrooms. Sjeći na kriške, slice. Chop. Chop a spring onion or a green onion. What can you chop? A spring onion, a carrot, meat, piece of meat, parsley. Sjeckati na komadiće. Spring onion nam je mladi luk. Parsley, tako je, peršun. Grate. Grate a potato. Grate. What can you grate? A piece or a hunk of cheese, a pear, cabbage, a carrot. Rendati. Grate. And now let's go do some real cooking. Take a frying pan and put it on a stove or on a cooker. Take some oil. Add the oil into the frying pan. Now take the sliced potato and fry it in the oil. Take a saucepan, any saucepan, and take some water. Pour the water into the saucepan and put the cooker on until the water boils. Add a pinch of salt. Then add a carrot or two. Bake your bread in the oven in an oven-proof dish. So cooking or preparing food. Types of cooking. Frying. You fry things in a frying pan, in oil, on a stove or on a cooker. Dakle, pržiti u ulju ili na ulju, u tavi. Boil, usually in water, in a saucepan. Kuhati nešto. Bake, in a dish, in an oven-proof dish, vatrostalnoj posudi, in an oven. Well, that's all for today. Hope you're doing well. See you soon.